I'm Dave with Fairway Independent Mortgage. I'm a residential mortgage lender, and I help people finance their dreams by walking them through the loan process in an easy and understandable way so that they can make the best decision for them and their family. So the first thing I want to talk to you about today is down payment assistance programs. That seems to be one of the hot topics that everyone is talking about right now, whether you're a realtor or a lender, or whether you heard it from a friend on the street that they got down payment assistance money to help them purchase their home. So there are some great programs out there. You can get programs that will give you 2% of the purchase price, 4% of the purchase price. They'll give you $15,000 up front. There's just hundreds of them. There's different programs for nurses, for heroes, different neighborhoods. So the big question is, though, what everyone doesn't tell you is that there are always costs to those types of programs. Down payment assistance programs are great if you really need them. They can actually hurt you, though, if you get into a program that might not be quite right for you. One of the things about down payment assistance programs is the rate that you pay is generally a little bit higher on the loan because they're going to be giving you some sort of benefit, or they're going to be giving you 2% or 4% to help you with your down payment. But you ultimately are going to pay for that. Kind of nothing's for free. So you're going to pay a higher interest rate in order to get that assistance. Now that might be okay if you plan on staying in the house for some time, but the rules recently changed. Before, you could get the down payment assistance. Let's say you get a 4% down payment assistance on a $300,000 house. That means you're going to get a $12,000 benefit to help you purchase that house. If you need it, great, let's do it. But let's also talk about the downside. So the rules recently changed. They used to forgive that $12,000 over the first 3 years of the loan, and they would forgive 1/36 of it every single month. Now, since the rules have changed, you actually have to hold that loan for 7 years in order to be forgiven of the debt, which means you can't rent the house, you can't move out of the house, you have to keep it as your primary residence, and most importantly, in today's high rent environment, you can't refinance the house without paying back that $12,000. Now, does it make sense to still get into the program? Maybe. You can also pay back the $12,000 with the equity in the home. So it might mathematically work out in the long run that it's still best for you to use down payment assistance. But you should just know that when you're getting into the program, that there are some downsides to those things too. So now that you have this additional information about down payment assistance programs, all my contact information is below. Give me a call, let's run through all the programs, find the one that works best for you, and get you out there to buy a house.